So over here, I have Microsoft Teams opened up, as you can see right here. And in Microsoft Teams, what you can also do is, if you want to send out an attachment to another person, you can directly access out files from your OneDrive and then send your OneDrive files uploaded in OneDrive directly. So over here, I am in chat area, as you can see, and I have a test chat. So in order to send a file from OneDrive, I can simply click on the attachment button right here. Once I do that, you can see that attach cloud files is an option. You can also go around over here onto files and click on upload. And here in the chat, you can attach cloud files directly. So once you do that, you have access to your OneDrive files, as you can see right here. You can access recent files and even your photos and access out my files right over here. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, the images folder, I can see that I have these images over here, and I can select out multiple images all at once as well, or multiple files, and then click on attach. Then what happens is that the files from OneDrive directly gets attached out over here on this particular chat right here. And that is how OneDrive can directly be integrated with Teams, and whatever files you have in OneDrive, you can use Teams to directly send them out to other people through chats just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can directly access out your files for attachment from OneDrive in Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe